Nyumba ciothe ciao kumemerekia niruteirwo mukana wa kwambaga guthurima uma wa ndeto na mohoro maria mararekereria kuri muingi
and the well-being of our people.
Mukana uyu urutitwo ni Ruhonge rwa guthurima ukinyaniria wa nyumba cia mohoro CAK rukiuga amwe a memerekia makoretwo makimemerekia maundu kuuma nenda-ini makihuthira thimu ciao na oho kuheana murugamo wao hindi ya guthoma mohoro kana tabarira-ini itiganite matambite guthurima ndeto ici undu uria thikiriria na eroreri moyaga tari murugamo wa ceceni iria mararutira wira. Riu nyumba cia mohoro ni ciuritio kugia na kwarira mitaratara ya guthurimaga ndumiriri o yothe mbere ya kumemerekia nginyagia nenda-ini ciao makirumirira mawatho ma umemerekia na wandiki wa mohoro. Ihinda-ini o riu rurenda rwa ukinyaniria rwa Facebook ni rumurikitwo ta njira imwe ucogeri wa ngui ukoretwo gitambio na njira nene no kambuni nyene rurenda ruru ndirathurima ndeto ici kuringana na watho. Riboti iria erekereirio ni gikundi kia Fox Glove na Global Witness.
Why this matters is this shows that Facebook is failing to detect some of the most overt examples of hate speech in both Swahili and in English. And this raises very serious questions about their ability to detect hate speech.
Uthuthuria uyu wonanitie ati rurenda rwa Facebook rutikoretwo rukihota gukurana ndumiriri itiganite iria iratheremio igicugira ngui riu ene rurenda ruru makiurio magie na uigiriki.
Unfortunately here in Kenya what Facebook does is that it does not comply with most of our regulations because they're not actually registered here per se, but they operate here. So it's about time that we had a candid conversation on how to hold them to account.
Or such platforms like Facebook go unregulated and therefore allow incidences of hate speech and others.
Kamite ya guthingatithia thayo na urumwe NCIC hamwe na kamite ya kuruirira ihoto cia umundu maugite kambuni nyene rurenda ruru ni yagereirwo ni gutashukirio ikinya amu ni magereirwo ni guthurimaga maundu maria maratambia rurenda-ini ruru kiwatho.
Kenya is actually the hub of all Facebook's operations in the whole of Eastern Africa. So it's about and if you look at the number of ads that are run on their platforms in total disregard to basic human rights principles, it's about time that they're held accountable. So
mikakati ambazo tulikubaliana hawajatia maanani ya mikakati. Kwa hivyo ni wazi kwamba lazima kama serikali tuchukue pia hatua kwamba wao tie maanani sheria zetu za nchi yetu ya Kenya.
We are asking that Facebook properly resources content moderation in all African countries that it works with, especially in Kenya, and not just during the election but beyond the election.
Riboti ino irekereirio thiku nini mbere ya githurano kinene gitafanitio ihinda-ini ria thiku 10 ciukite riri nacio kambeini ciakiriirie.
Thank you much.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.